Deuxième jour à Stockholm.
Oui. Deuxième jour. Premier jour passé chez Ikea, déballer des cartons, etc. Donc aujourd'hui on profite un peu plus.
On a fait quelques courses pour déco.
Oui, essentiel. On a mangé combien de cinnamon buns?
Cardamom bun, on a mangé 3. En tout, je pense qu'on est à 6-7 à 2 en 2 jours. On est pas mal. Et puis là, on cherche un meuble pour l'entrée.
Ouais,
et
pour les inspo, parce que l'appartement il est meublé. Et quoi d'autre? Il fait très froid. Donc on a perdu, on a perdu 20 degrés là, par rapport à...
Il fait pas très froid, il fait 7-8 degrés.
Oui, mais il a neigé.
Oui, il a neigé
et
hier
à Paris,
matin.
quand on est parti, il faisait 20 degrés. Donc, avril.
Voilà, Zosia est gelée. Mais ouais, il fait un petit peu plus froid. On a perdu, c'est vrai, une vingtaine de degrés par rapport à Paris.
Okay, I thought I will do a small unboxing of what we bought with everyone today, because I wanted to do like an apartment tour, but I still have to clean up a bit, so I will start with this. So yesterday we went to IKEA and bought a lot of stuff, but more like practical for the apartment. And today we went back to IKEA to return something, and then we went shopping for some design stuff, which was not at all planned. We just saw some stores and we went in. So the first thing is this wine glasses from Hey. This is how they look. There's some more stuff to open here. It's like green and pink. So we don't drink a lot of alcohol, but it will be more for like water or kombucha. I also bought these 2 notebooks, which I thought were cute and it was hard to resist. Just a cute blue bowl that we will leave on the table, I think. And I also bought a mug that comes with it. What is it? Oh, we also bought some candles. And they are like a bit squared. They are also from Hey. The color on the camera is maybe a bit lighter than in reality. It's for our window here. So actually we already have candles that are like white beige, but we also have a different one. And the last thing is quite heavy. It's like this marble vase. No, it's not a vase, like a bowl. I don't know how to call it. It's really heavy, really pretty. I think we'll just leave it on the table or something. I don't know what we'll put inside yet, but it was such a nice piece and it was on a sale. So yeah, we also went to a flea market, but we didn't find anything interesting. It wasn't that nice. I don't know, I think we are spoiled with all the flea markets in Paris that are so amazing, or maybe we just didn't go to the best one. So yeah, I will do like an apartment tour tomorrow when it's all cleaned up and maybe in the morning with some more lights. So here's our living room. We have windows here and there. A big mirror for outfit checks. Here is our walk-in closet, which is like, well, it was always my dream to have a big wardrobe like this. So in Paris, we didn't have much place for our clothes. So this is really perfect. We can put a lot of stuff in here. And here's our TV. So everything was already in here, all the furniture, etc. So it was very convenient because we arrived and it was ready to move in. Oh yeah, we have some nice view because we are on the last floor. So very nice view. Here is our bedroom. I love how they do all this like furniture around the bed to have even more storage. We've seen this a lot in Sweden in all the apartments we've been looking at. Quite simple, but the owners, they really did a lot of nice details. They have some nice quality furniture, so we are very happy. It's a bit smaller than our apartment in Paris, but I think it's very well designed, so we don't really feel that. Let me show you the kitchen now. So here's the kitchen. It's quite big. It's, I think, the biggest we've ever had. So we have an oven, a washing machine. So in Parisian standards, it's super rare. And it was very well equipped as well. Everything was already here, so we just bought a few things and we are good to cook and stock our food, etc. And for the bathroom, I don't really feel comfortable showing the bathroom. And also everyone is taking showers, so it's a basic bathroom, much bigger than the one we had in Paris. So super happy with the apartment. And yeah, the only thing I would change is that we are on the last floor without an elevator, but it's gonna be good for our legs and our cardio. Not that good for all the boxes that gonna arrive. We're actually waiting for some boxes today. And after, we also have a tax office appointment and a bank appointment, so kind of an administration day today. We also have here like a little spot for barbecue or eating outside. There is another one up there. It's like a space for sitting outside in the sun, so that's very nice. So different from Paris. It's so calming here. I'm back home with my coffee. It's a very nice coffee place in Stockholm. I went for the first time and it's very, very good. So we just realized that in the papers that we got from the tax office today, the lady who was talking to us, she put the information that I was a man. So everyone had to go back there because I cannot go anywhere because I'm still waiting for 2 more boxes. So he's gonna try to figure it out, but it's not very convenient. I don't know why she did it. She had my passport as well. I don't know if there was any doubt. So I hope he will manage to figure it out. And we also have an appointment at the bank, but I'm still waiting for UPS and I really don't want to miss it because it's always kind of risky to reschedule a delivery. So right now I'm on my way to an acting class. So it's the first time I'm going there. I actually enrolled like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's starting today. No, it's actually started a week ago, but I wasn't here yet. So I'm kind of nervous but really excited. And also tomorrow I have a job interview, which I didn't really expect because I applied yesterday, so everything's moving very fast. And the weirdest thing is that I just walk around, like right now is like the first time I walk alone without my boyfriend, and I'm like, that's my home. I don't know the city at all, but this is where I live right now, so it's a very weird feeling. So this is where my course takes place. So today I'm meeting with a Polish girl that I met through Instagram. And it's actually a funny story because, oh my god, it's so windy today. So actually on our first day when we arrived to Stockholm, so we went to a coffee shop just because we were like super tired after the flight. And when we were drinking, etc., everyone told me, oh, do you see this girl's bag? And it was a Polish designer bag. And I was like, oh, maybe she's Polish. But I was like super tired. I didn't want to talk to strangers. And she actually texted me on Instagram saying that, yeah, I follow you and saw you in this coffee place. And we thought we could meet for a coffee and talk. So I'm gonna meet with her right now. Qu'est-ce que tu veux dire?
C'est parti pour le spa.
Oui.